Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. When we try to access friend's profile on Instagram and it says user not found. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. Basically, this is not an error. This is because of 4 reasons. Number 1, maybe you don't have a strong internet connection. Maybe you have an internet but not strong. Number 2, maybe user changed their username that you are looking for. Number 3, maybe your friend blocked your profile for some reasons. Number 4, maybe Instagram team block your profile or your friend's profile due to any reason or community guideline violence. So anyway, if none of these, then do the following steps. Maybe you get rid of this issue. Tap and hold App Store. Tap on Updates. Check the list. Is there any update available for Instagram? If there is, then update Instagram app first. Number 2, launch settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. And also check date and time is correct. Then go back to general again, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you will understand how we face this issue and how we fix it. Do like, share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.